I'm David Beadle. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates rose sharply on Wednesday after having fallen during the previous 3 trading sessions. The trigger for the reversal was release of the minutes of the January Federal Reserve Monetary Policy meeting, at which the members discussed selling some of their holdings of U.S. Treasury securities. Last year, the Fed bought $300 billion of such IOUs, and if it starts dumping them, that action could push interest rates dramatically higher. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4 7/8% with 2 points, up 3/8 of a point from Tuesday, for an extra cost of $375 on a $100,000 loan. The 5 1/8% rate was up 1/4 of a point to 5/8 of 1 point. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage also rose, with the 4 1/4% rate up 1/4 of a point to 1 5/8 points. The 4 1/2% rate is now at 1/4 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service, less than $1 a day. January housing starts rose more than expected in Wednesday's report to an annualized pace of 591,000 units, up from December's 575,000 units. Today, we will see January producer prices, where the expectation is for a doubling of inflation at the wholesale level. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here later today for my next free mortgage rate update.